Welcome to the new Screen Research Configurator. Today we are going to introduce the new configurator that Screen Research has made available to all its customers. The tool has been completely updated compared to the old version. The biggest improvement is that the data available is updated in real time, and it is now possible to load the orders directly into the Screen Research database. The configurator can be accessed at http://configurator.screenresearch.com or via the link on the left-hand side menu on the Screen Research website at www.screenresearch.com. To access the configurator, you need to register your username and password. If you don't have a username and password, click on the registration link to create a new account. Accounts from the old configurator are no longer valid. Once logged in, the first page of the user dashboard lists your projects and orders. When you first log in, the dashboard is empty. Click on the Projects menu and select New Project to create a new configuration. In the project name box that appears, write the name of the project. Please do not use special characters. Once you have saved the project name, a new page will open where all the different screen categories are listed. If the monitor you're using is too small to view all the table columns, you can hide the Your Screen Summary box by clicking on the little triangle icon. If you click on the icon again, the box will reappear. Show Only the Available Options is a function enabled by default. It hides the columns where no data is available. Now proceed by selecting the screen category of interest. Select a screen with masking. Just click on a row, highlight it, and press Next on the red button. On this page you can choose your screen model. A brief preview and description are provided. However, if you hover over each row, you can see more detailed info on the single model pop-up. Select the model that you wish to configure and click on Next. The next steps allow you to choose aspect ratio and the projecting surface. Take a look at the Your Screen box on the left-hand side of the monitor. You can track selections such as the name and number of the project you're working on and the options you've chosen during the configuration process. If you decide to go back a certain step, just click on the name of the selection you wish to change and you'll be taken back to that page. On the projection surface page, you will see the surface's most important selections compared. For a more in-depth look, you can download the surface text sheet in PDF format. Once you have selected your surface, click on Next and you'll be taken to the page where you can select the size of your screen. If your screen doesn't have standard measurements, you can change the size later on. This is the page where you can choose the characteristics regarding the frame and masking system. Once you have selected your chosen option, you are taken to the next page where you can customize the size of your screen by simply answering some questions and adding data where requested. In this page, you will see a preview of the project you've been building with its technical measurements. If you don't need to modify your screen, just click on Next and proceed with your configuration. If you do need to create a customized configuration, confirm that you want to insert a custom size, select the unit of measurement in millimeters or inches, and the dimension you wish to customize, whether width, height, or diagonal. Based on the size selection set a few pages ago, the system informs us that we can choose a custom size between 150.1 inches and 160 inches. Let's say we wish to set 155. Click on Update Drawing Values, and you will see that the measurements on the preview change according to your new settings. The last steps in the configuration process will let you select screen motors, voltage and power plugs. The system is set up to exclude non-viable combinations, particularly regarding voltage. The last page of the configurator lets you choose the accessories for your screen. Please note that compared to the previous configurator, standard accessories such as brackets are not listed in the configurator, as they are already included in the standard package and need not be selected again. After you've chosen the accessories, click on Next. The system will start processing your choices and will generate your screen product code. At the end of the process, the configurator generates a summary page of your quote. It lists the product code of the screen, the description and technical details, including accessories, and creates the quote. The price shown is always the retail price excluding freight and local taxes. The red button at the end of the page allows you to send the order to our processing database. The other buttons allow you to download different versions of the quote. The PDF with the Export Price button prints a quote with your buying discount applied. The PDF with retail price prints a quote with the retail price applied. Alternatively, you can download a version of the quote with no price applied. The last button allows you to download the technical manual for the screen you configured. For any questions or feedback, please write to info@screenresearch.com.